You can't get through him, and he uses his length and pass pro. You can't get around him. And in the run game, it's an avalanche. When he down blocks, he just takes everybody with him, and he's moving pretty good.
Oh my word! Somebody that large running that fast is. Hold on a second. Did we just watch somebody who's 364 pounds, the heaviest individual at the 2020 Scouting Combine? Did we just see him run 5.11?
When he was training in Texas, Taron Armstead went down there to visit, and when he walked in the room and saw him, he said, "What is